Hi everyone, in this screencast I'll be going over the Searching for Solutions assignment for this week. So as you know, this is the last week of our juvenile justice unit, and now that we've explored the multiple issues and the general trends within the subject, we are now looking at how we can address these issues. So in this assignment, you're going to be looking at 4 resources up here in the top of the table. You have St. Joseph's University, the Resource Center Partnership, youth.gov, and the Children's Defense Fund. For each of these sources, you can click on the icons here and it'll take you to their websites. You're going to identify just one issue or problem that each source explores. Some of these sources explore like over 6. Again, I'm only asking you to identify one issue or problem that they explain. And you're going to summarize that issue within in your own words. And none of these issues should be new to you. These are all ones that we've already explored in the past 3 weeks of the unit. After that, you're going to identify one solution that each source elaborates upon. And you're going to do this by quoting it directly. After you quote it, you're going to explain in your own words how it would be beneficial. For example, let's say I was doing the St. Joseph's University, and I wanted to focus on the importance of recognition and treatment of mental illness. So I would provide one quote from this section, and then I would elaborate upon, after quoting it, why I think the recognition and treatment of mental illness is important. Remember, one of our main goals for the juvenile justice system is to reintegrate them into society. So if I provide therapy and stuff like that, then that's probably one of the best ways that I could do it. So that's what I'm looking for when you have to explain in your own words how it would be beneficial. Would this solution truly work? And what ways would it benefit these juveniles and society as a whole as we try to reintegrate these juveniles within our society? Last thing you're going to do is reflect. I want to ask you, do you find these solutions to be realistic? Are some of them far-fetched? Do you think, yeah, this sounds cool on paper, but in real life, they're way too expensive. There are far too many individuals within the juvenile justice system for any of the therapists to address in a heartfelt and real manner. Do we have enough taxpayer money in the first place to do these kind of things, etc.? And I also want to ask you, what resources do these solutions rely upon? Remember, these tend to be federal prisons, but some of them are privatized. So where would the funds come from? Would it be the taxpayer money? We've already looked at how much money these prison systems cost the average taxpayer. So again, do you find these solutions to be realistic, or do they sound great on paper, but they can't be implemented into society? So you'll be completing this table for each of these 4 sources. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and submit on Schoology. Thanks.